Two colors, no plan. Emotions I couldn't put into words. That became a calm I didn't expect. Watch how this piece unfolds and try it with me. Hi, I'm Lori, and this is Luminous Soul Art, where creativity becomes meditation. Let's begin. As color opens on the page, allow your breath to slow. Feel your body soften. You don't need a plan or a vision, just presence. This is your moment to step out of the noise and into flow. And by the end of this drawing, notice how your body feels different than it does right now. This painting began with two Daniel Smith colors, Nickel Azo Yellow and Moon Glow. Each one carries its own emotional landscape. Yellow, the solar plexus, the inner sun of the body, it holds the emotions of confidence, clarity, self-trust, courage, personal will, and direction. When this center feels bright, we feel steady and empowered. When stirred or tender, it may reveal doubt, hesitation, or the quiet urge to reclaim our voice. Moon Glow, the crown, the soft whispers of spirit. It holds serenity, intuition, connection, openness, and a spacious sense of being guided. Balanced, it feels peaceful and wise. When dimmed, it can stir feelings of disconnection or longing for a deeper meaning. On the page, the meeting of yellow and violet becomes a dialogue between self and soul, between grounded identity and expanded intuition. As you create alongside me today, choose colors that match how you feel or how you want to feel. Let them run, let them mingle, let them speak. One of the gifts of meditative art is how naturally it guides you into flow, that place where time softens, thoughts quiet, and your body relaxes into the rhythm of creation. Flow arises when your attention narrows into the present moment. Your hands move without overthinking. Your breath matches the pace of your strokes, and the mind stops demanding perfection. You're not trying to achieve anything here. You're allowing something inside you to exhale. If your mind is still feeling busy, stay with me. The next step, excavating shapes, usually shifts people deeper into the flow. Once the watercolor dried, I shifted into one of my favorite parts of the process, excavating the shapes. Think of it as gently discovering what the color has already begun. Instead of imposing a design, you're actually revealing one. Look softly at your page. Tilt it if you need to. What shapes start to whisper to you? What edges feel ready to emerge? You can trace them lightly, follow their curve, and deepen what feels alive. This is intuition guiding your hand, long before your mind has the ability to catch up. Next, I began adding intuitive neurographic lines. If you've heard of Neurographica, this is a gentle, intuitive version of that process without needing to know the full method. A neurographic line isn't merely wavy or decorative. It seeks out resistance. It changes directions with intention. It boldly moves into new pathways, just as we do when we grow, heal, or shift our inner narratives. I want you to let your lines wander. Let them connect isolated spaces. Let them bridge emotions, ideas, and parts of yourself that have felt separate. These lines create relationship within the drawing and within you. With the structure in place, I began deepening the colors with pencil, adding weight where the drawing wanted grounding, softness where it needed breath, and contrast where clarity was ready to appear. This part of the process is gently grounding. It's where intuition becomes form, where emotion crystallizes into color, and where the abstract becomes personal. As you work on your own piece, let your pencil follow your curiosity. Enhance the areas that feel alive and soften the places that feel tender. Let your drawing evolve at its own pace. And if this practice has brought you even a little more ease, please let me know with a like or a comment. It helps me know to create more journeys like this. So allow yourself to notice what feelings arise as you draw. Does the yellow bring warmth or activation? Does the purple bring calm or expansion? Do your shapes feel protective, revealing, curious, or unfolding? There is no right answer, only sensations, awareness, and the quiet movement of emotion through color and line. So take a moment and sit with your piece. Let it speak back to you. Does your breath feel different than when you began? Does your body feel softer or lighter? Does something inside you feel more spacious? This drawing became a gentle union of self and spirit for me. Yellow grounding the I am, and purple expanding into the I am becoming. Your drawing will unfold its own meaning, its own medicine. I invite you to sit with it for a while. Thank you for being here in this sacred creative moment. If you like more guided meditative art journeys, I'd love to welcome you inside the Luminous Soul Art Circle, a community where we explore drawing as a pathway to our inner clarity, connection, and calm. And if you feel called to deepen your understanding of the neurographic process, my Neurographic Fundamentals course is linked below. Keep creating, keep listening, and keep embracing your own journey. And I will see you in the next video.